Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install TurboTax Live to file pass-through business returns, full guide step by step clearly. To install TurboTax Live for filing pass-through business returns, begin by visiting the official TurboTax website. Look for the TurboTax Live option on the homepage. Click on the relevant link to access TurboTax Live. You will be directed to a page that outlines the different TurboTax Live packages. Select the TurboTax Live package that best suits your needs. Click on the Buy Now or Get Started button for the selected package. You will be prompted to create an account if you do not already have one. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After completing the account creation, log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Purchase section if you haven't finalized your transaction. Enter your payment information and confirm your purchase. Follow the on-screen instructions to download the TurboTax Live software. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file on your computer. Double-click on the file to begin the installation process. Follow the installation prompts to complete the setup. You may need to accept the terms and conditions during the installation. After the installation is complete, launch the TurboTax Live application. Sign in using the account credentials you created earlier. Now you can begin preparing your pass-through business returns. Utilize the step-by-step guidance provided within the software to enter your business information. Make sure to gather all necessary documentation during the filing process. Review your entries for accuracy before submitting your returns. If you have any questions, TurboTax Live offers professional support to assist you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.